Welcome to our channel. If you want to request government records with a FOIA request that actually works, follow these step-by-step instructions for effective results. Step 1. Identify which federal agency has the records you're seeking. FOIA applies only to federal executive branch agencies, not Congress, courts, or state or local governments. Step 2. Before filing a FOIA request, check if the records are already publicly available on the agency's website, in reading rooms, or through other disclosure programs. Many records are proactively disclosed. Step 3. Draft your request clearly and specifically. Describe the records you want in enough detail that agency staff can locate them, but don't make the request so broad that it's unreasonable. Step 4. Narrow your request by including date ranges, specific topics, named individuals, or document types. Overly broad requests often result in delays or denials due to excessive burden. Step 5. Submit your request to the appropriate FOIA office at the agency. Each agency has a designated FOIA office with specific submission instructions found on their website. Step 6. Include your contact information and specify your fee category. If you're a journalist, researcher, or requesting records for public interest, you may qualify for fee waivers or reductions. Step 7. Clearly state if you're willing to pay fees up to a certain amount, or request a fee waiver by explaining how disclosure serves the public interest rather than commercial interests. Step 8. Track your request using the reference number provided. Agencies have specific timeframes to respond. If you don't receive a response within statutory deadlines, you have the right to appeal or seek mediation through OGIS. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.